I'm going to reveal what to do if your YouTube channel isn't growing. This video could potentially save your channel. We at Tube Mastery often start channels, but then we don't see any traction for months and months, but then one video can suddenly hit it off and we've turned it into a thriving business, getting millions of views. So what is it that we do that you aren't doing, and how can we help you if you're not growing? Here are 3 simple things that you can do with your YouTube channel if it isn't growing. Number 3, optimize for search. I want you to look at your channel objectively, pretend it's not your channel. Take a look at it and see, is this gonna get views? Is this really what people want to see and care about? Look at your title and thumbnail. Is it really helping you in the search results? Basically, what I'm trying to ask you is it clear what your video is about? This is what you need to look at. Is it clear what your video is about? Because that's what you need to actually see. And you might see big YouTubers like Mr. Beast do a title like, I drove to the bank today, I did this. You don't want to put that in your title. If you put I did it in the title, then it's not going to get anywhere. It's YouTubers who already have the audience there, they're able to do that because they have people who want to watch their videos already. YouTube already have their videos in the algorithm, so that's why they can already get views on their content if their title isn't the greatest. When you're starting out, obviously you don't have the audience right there, so you need to publish videos first in order for that to happen, and you need to really optimize it for search results. You can leverage the search results to push your videos into suggested, but bear in mind they are 2 different algorithms, so optimizing your video for search means you may not be able to optimize for suggested straight away, but you need to make videos at first that actually get you the initial subscribers, and then you can push from there to make videos for suggested. We'll talk about suggested another time, but for today, right now, we're talking about search results. So how do you optimize for search results? You need to use metadata. YouTube needs to look at the title, thumbnail, description, tags, comments, all of that to see what your video is actually about, and then they can really categorize it in a way where they know who to publish it to and they know what type of audience would potentially want to watch it. The algorithm has millions of data points, so it's probably smarter than all of us and what we think it is, because it has so many things to it that it could look into of what your video could be about. There are literally millions of videos being uploaded constantly, so you need to be there and YouTube needs to know exactly what your video is about. And most videos out there, probably like 95%, aren't really categorized in a way where, YouTube actually know what it's about, which is why all of them never get seen. So here is how you can get an unfair advantage when it comes to SEO on your videos. Go to YouTube and search for the top rated videos in your niche. You want to apply the same concepts from the content that has been successful. You can also use the YouTube search bar to see what phrases people have been searching. When you're optimizing for search results, obviously you want to make your title something that people will actually type in and search for, or include some sort of keyword secretly that people would type in. Basically, think about it from a viewer's perspective. This is what they're typing in, this is what they're interested in, this is what you've got to think about. Number 2, upload 33 videos. So many people ask us after 10 videos, why am I not getting any traction? You need to post more videos. This is what you need to do, upload more. It's incredibly rare for a channel that's only posted 10 videos for you to get traction straight away. You can't expect to get traction after 10 videos. Some people even expect it after 1. And I look at their channel, I'm like, you haven't even posted any videos. What do you expect? You need to post more content. For example, Mr. Beast posted over 1,000 videos before seeing any traction. If you have that same mindset, you're never going to give up. You're going to reach the heights that he's reached and more. Our goal here at Tube Mastery is to see traction after 33 videos. So, I recommend you to try and look for the same. Sometimes it can take less, but sometimes it can take more. You just really need to test it out and see what works and what doesn't. That's the ultimate thing at first. Even if you don't get that much traction after 33 videos, you have some data to work with, so you know which type of videos to produce or not produce. You need to really get that data to know, because no one can give you the answers until you upload. Obviously, you can look at the top viewed videos in your niche and see what works and what doesn't, but you want to take inspiration from that and not just copy it. After you have uploaded at least 33 videos, you want to take a look at it and see what are the most viewed videos and make videos like that moving forward. Imagine if you upload 30 more videos of the video that's exactly your most popular. Then, I'm telling you right now, you're likely to do much better than you did in the first 30 videos. You want to look at your audience retention graphs and click-through rate, because that will tell you exactly what you need to improve on and what you can use in the future. You want to always be doing better than your channel's average. You want to look at the audience retention graph and see, why are people clicking off at this point and what am I doing wrong at this point? And you never want to do that again in any of the videos, because it didn't work that time, you can't expect it to work it again, and that will literally hinder your audience retention percentage, because that is really vital for growth. Before we get to the number 1 thing to do if your YouTube channel isn't growing, subscribe if you're seeing value from this video. Number 1, implement similar metadata. So your metadata is your title, description, tags, subtitles, and what's actually being said in your video. Having similar metadata across all your content means that everything's consistent across your videos, and YouTube uses that to their advantage to be able to categorize your videos quickly and efficiently so it gets in the algorithm fast. So how can you do this, and how do you know what the best keywords to use are? First, you want to upload videos that are only in a single niche. Don't upload car videos one day and then gaming another day. You just don't want to do that. You want to keep it to one single niche. But now you might be wondering, how can I know what is a high paying niche? What should I really be using here? So we give out free training. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to have a look at that. We also have a ton of YouTube videos giving away that information, so if you check out our channel, you might be able to hear some. You want your videos to be all about the same similar thing, because then YouTube will know exactly who to promote your video to. So that's why you want to keep it consistent with the tags, the title, even the small section in the description. You know, you want to add the same similar thing that you do in each one of the videos to keep it consistent. By doing this, you'll put your own videos into the suggested tab on the side, because you don't want other people's videos coming up. Ideally, you want your own videos. Then by doing this slowly, you'll be able to push your videos into more popular videos as suggested tabs, because, you know, that is literally what you want to get to. You want your video to be on the side of a really popular video out there already. And this is how we've got videos with over 10 million views on them. If you want to find out the best keywords to use and the high paying niches, then check out Tube Mastery. We explore all of that there. The link will be in the description. So let's cut to the chase. Your YouTube channel isn't growing, and that's because, number 1, you don't have enough content on your channel. You don't have enough content in your channel that's equal or better than the content already in your niche. 3, your videos aren't as optimized as they could be. This includes having a great thumbnail and title. But also tags. Tags can be important for categorizing your content. If you want to find out how to add the best tags to your video, check out the Tube Mastery course down below, and we'll discover how you can actually do that in order to grow your channel profitably. YouTube expert Matt Parr will go through this in the description, and he'll also explain how you can get a high click-through rate by adding great thumbnails to your content. But you don't have to buy the course. Of course, you can carry on watching the free YouTube content, but obviously it will fast track your success by buying the course and hearing more of what we have to say. We actually have a private community that Matt answers questions in daily. Imagine having access to people who have grown YouTube channels again and again and again. Check it out below. Check out this video here to find out how you can get tons of subscribers really fast. It's full of info. Check it out. I'll see you there.